guys, my name is LyricRochester. So welcome to another video. So this video is going to be this video is all about Picaso powders. She is a Jamaican and she lives abroad. She creates her own glitter powders. This one I'm holding was called her glitter pot, and it's for nails, beauty, art and craft. And this one in my hand is a 2-ounce jar. Now when she had contacted me, I was like, yeah, sure, and I can have my nail taken, Auntie Tio, do something really cool with them. She's like, yeah, you know, but I was more along the line thinking like you could probably use them in a tutorial. I'm like, oh, I can use them on my eyes? She said yes. I was like, yes, you know, like so yeah, so they don't have names though. So this one, I'll be using all of them in a tutorial, every single one. And I told you guys before, I've been in a huge funk, and just getting these glitter pots is like, oh, it just reignited something in me. So I'm like, I'm gonna use all of them. So I'm using this one. Ooh, it's like an iridescent pinky one. This is cute. But this is one that I used today. Again, they have no names, but this one is yellow with like some green iridescence and stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And then I got these other two. These ones are bigger, like big. I'm not even showing you this stuff. So these ones are bigger chunk. See, they're like chunkier. See that? Yeah. So that one is chunkier and it's more like a gold, and this one is like a rose gold kind of a thing, but like more pinky rose gold. See, these are like chunks. And oh my gosh, I'm all glittered. Like, glitter is so messy. Somebody I know said that glitter is the herpes of arts and crafts. This is the one that I used today. Hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know, I don't want it to spill. That's the one I used today. And this is the very first one that I held up for you guys. Oh. Ah, there we go. This looks nice and mermaidy. Yes, girl. So, oh my gosh, it's glitter everywhere. Everywhere. There's glitter everywhere. Let's put it on me. Let's put it on me. But yeah, so this is the tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did, of course, use everything Sasha Honey for my complexion, for the eyeshadow, and I used my Fenty Beauty. This is your like product of the year. This Fenty Beauty 2-in-1 eye situation product of the year. You hear me? Product of the flipping year. This thing is gold. It is just, it spruces up any eye look. So y'all don't sleep. Do not sleep. Anyway, that's it for this intro. I'll talk guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you have not. Comment, share, drop a like, you know, thumbs it up, you know. It's been so long since I've done this, you know, and it's just like, what do I do? Where do I put my hands? How do I talk? You know what I mean? It's just a lot. But enjoy the tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Following program is rated G for God.
Run come to me if you're tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me, run come to me, and I won't leave you alone. Listen. Me love you like cook food. You want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Even on me tune, earth on me footstool. Around your neck Lucifer put noose. And say your goose cook but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. And me set your hands on your foot loose. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Me check for you. me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion, me a make you can't stop smile. Like with the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus, we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka chaka like cock style, me still love you long time. That's right, and I came so that you might have time. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion, me a make for you. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion, me a make for you. Like cook food, you want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Even on me tone, earth on me footstool. Around your neck, Lucifer put news. And say your goose cook but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. We set your hand and your foot loose. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion, me a make for you. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion, me a run come to me. Run come to me if you tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me, run come to me. If you tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue you. We will make you can't stop smile. Like you the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus him we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka chaka like a style, me still love you long time. That's right, and I came so that you might have life. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you.
Hi guys, so you guys, I know I look weird. I have my powders all over my face. So let me just tell you guys what I used on my face. I used my Sasha Second Skin foundation. This is in Perfect Bronze. I used to wear Perfect Spice, but Perfect Bronze is the color underneath it. And as I've said before, I really feel like Sasha can really broaden the range because there's a really nice gap between Spice and Bronze. And I'm not wearing any primers because I have several videos to film today, so no primers today. For my powder that you're seeing the lighter color, I'm using my Sasha Buttercup, and my nose looks weird. I'm not rubbing it off. For my all over face, I'm using my Sasha Perfect Spice powder. No, I don't know if you guys can see in this container. Are you seeing that? Like it's, I don't know if you can see, but it's done. I have like probably 2 more times left with this, and then that's all she wrote. And I used to low light, I used Perfect Bronze powder to low light as well. Grabbing my LA Pro Primer in black. I always use as I use on my lips, I use on my eyes. I mean, it's sickening. It's absolutely sickening. And then I'm going to blend out using the synthetic brush that I typically use to do my like glue work. But it's what I grabbed today, so I'm going to blend this out. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my smoky palette, my purple smoky palette, my smoky purple, that's the name of it, smoky purple. So my smoky purple palette that I've been using all morning, and this is my e.l.f. brush. This is called the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be grabbing this purple here and like pushing it. So it's all purple. So I did it on camera, but it's where it's lighter on the hair. I use my Sasha Cosmetics eyeshadow adhesive, and it's just called adhesive. It's white, and I actually use it as a shadow base. But right now, I think I'm going to be going in with it again. And I'm using the same brush I used to do my brows. And I use the same brush to apply the white. And I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to be applying the pink. Let me clean this off a little bit. Let me get the pink from the palette. And just like the other color, I'm just going to be patting it on. And this brush is not working because it's kind of blending it out. So it's not applying it how I want it to be applied. But it's being applied. Alright, so for my lashes, I'll be wearing my fashionista lashes. Because they're nice and dramatic. They're stuck in here. So I'm putting these on for you guys.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only eyebrow the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now she walk if me a fall and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only eyebrow the kings of here. You a brag on a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the north coast when they take most of them. Never have a Bible in a demo.